respect before I lose it. The whole world know Precise is more than music, a movement. Look at all the goons that I move with. Homie guns, vest and boots on my platoon shit. Best, hardest in the West, yes, literally. The fans compare me to who? Come on, you're killing me. The enemy keep trying but can't get rid of me. Bombs like Timothy, arms like a centipede. Hoes to his door and make sure he's a memory. One nigga, but I got him shook like it's 10 of me. Go hard in hip-hop, hope they remember me. Screaming thug life like a Tupac mini-me. Any beef, tell him to bring a special delivery. I bet my little friend to put him out of his misery. These niggas wanna finish me and send me to the Reverend. Honestly, there's probably better competition in heaven. Holla at me, feel more bitch, we dollar happy. You would think I was stripping away hoes, no dollars at me. I'm the motherfucking spiteful, delightful Eiffel, the new Ice Cube. Bust my guns and rock mics too. So what's good? Do you crip or you blood? Somebody call Khaled, tell him your boy was hood. If he joke like D-Ray, my heat like D-Wade. Shots to his face, make him sing like T-Pain. Stuff him in the trunk, then I dump the remain. Nowadays, all the rapper is a free chain. If a nigga ever look at me as a free chain, he's not gonna make it like his plane got delayed. Talking to the real, if you fake, then get lost. And block muscle men hustling like Rick Ross. Real talk, I'd rather sit and snitch, dog. Cause quick jaws get a nigga smoke like menthols. I'm way out of their league, who hotter than me? Got your favorite R&B bitch swallowing me. I ain't lying, look, I'm so fly, I should be flying. Maybe that's the reason why your girl keep eyeing. I'm eyeing the back, Louis purse with the hat. I'm not a trick, but I'm rich, so I'm buying to that. And I'm tired of this rap beef, tired of that gay shit. I thought he wanted war, he seen me and didn't say shit. I'm out of this world, when you see me, I'm like a spaceship. Lights everywhere, make it bright anywhere. Got the sun on my neck, full moon on my wrist, the diamonds in my mouth, and it's all on the bitch. I guess I took notes from Kelly Federline. Every time milk a bitch like a cow, every cent, every dime. Never been in jail, but I done hella crimes. Moved to Malibu, now I got him thugging at Pepperdine. Give me mine if a nigga say I ain't the top 5 dead or alive. Remove his head and his spine, I load the lead in the 9 and leave him dead on the ride boat. You're sitting on the shelf, what the fuck did you sign for? Catch me with the Crips and the Bloods don't mind, no. I don't bang colors, I'm a damn albino. Drunk like a wino, hard like a rhino. Flying through your time zone looking for a fine hoe. Rihanna, Alicia, Maya, big pimpin'. I even take a white girl like Jessica Simpson. Make sure she licks it, kiss my lip biscuit. Tape it, need a witness, this is big business. I'm heavy with SRC like Steve Rifkin. I'm talking some real clientele, nigga listen. Drop him a line, that's all I do is go fishing. Get him hooked on me, then I turn him into fish sticks. This is 100 bars of death if you're listening. I ain't like these other niggas, I can go the distance. Your fans in my hands, so you know that I'ma clinch it. The rap game dirty, but somebody gotta rinse it. I don't even spit shit, I just go and rip shit. That's why these hoes put me on like lipstick. That's why these hoes put your boy on their hit list. Swag like a motherfucker, I'm the new Slick Rick. Lottie-dottie, start off shoddy, riding through the hood, about to flip somebody. How you rap like that? It's just something about me. I step in the booth and the shit just comes at me. Niggas wanna shoot me, niggas wanna ride me. Fuck that, 40 cal here right beside me. Niggas can't deny he out of them Mojave. Desert in the middle with some of the Semi-Najee. I be killing other rappers like a hobby. Niggas take pictures and women like to surround me. I don't even trip, I don't block no head. I tell them hoes do me like Rocco said. But you can get up out of here if you ain't got no bread. Cause even my bed got a Ferragamo spread. Yeah, I mean Scrooge McDuck bucks. And if a nigga say I ain't nice, then you probably get buck fucked. I catch you in the hood, all I say is tough luck. Don't holler Precise game, you get fucked up. What? Cut a nigga up like Nip Tuck. You might as well kill yourself like a grist cut. And everybody in the whole hood know it's us. The way them doors no longer swing, they lift up. The way them boys go and do they thing with big bucks, big homes, big diamond rings, and big trucks. Despite that, you tryna sell like Mike Jack. I even get the fans that don't like rap. Keep it 100, so it's a must. I write that. Spit so much crack, the feds got the mic tapped. Yeah, holla at me. Precise Gang, your boy. I suggest